Let's say you have a business idea. For instance, this vial filling machinery for the pharmaceutical industry. To turn this idea into a venture, you'll need 6 essential resources: people, means of communication, means of production, real estate, marketplace, and capital. Now imagine if autonomy gave you access to all 6 inside one virtual workplace. A place to do business, generate revenue, and even bring machines directly into your workflow. Let's see how it works. People, the most valuable resources of all. Talent, creativity, passion, skills, expertise, knowledge. Autonomy becomes your human resources hub, helping you connect and collaborate with the right people for your project. Means of communication: chat, audio and video calls, a shared whiteboard, and even a 3D model viewer. All the tools you need to work seamlessly with others. Start your project, build your crew, broadcast on your hub. And with a crypto wallet built in, you can transact instantly right from your chat box. Means of productions: need to manufacture something? Autonomy is the first platform where you can collaborate directly with your machines. Mechatronics, robots, CNC machines, 3D printers, you name it. Control them remotely, automate processes, and even let them transact on their own. Real estate: cut down or even eliminate the need for traditional offices, workshops, or warehouses. With autonomy, your home, garage, or basement can become your operational base, saving costs and cutting on the daily commute. By shifting collaborations and productions online, the platform unlocks new flexibility for distributed teams and decentralized manufacturing. Marketplace: autonomy brings production closer to your customers, making geography less important than ever. It's a global marketplace. Global reach, local execution. Design globally, fabricate locally. Global bits, local atoms. Capital: through tokenization, autonomy democratizes startup funding. Instead of one investor putting in $10 million, you can have 1 million supporters, each contributing just $10. That's peer-to-peer venture capital powered by the community. And here is the best part: you can build this entire virtual workplace simply by describing it to our AI agent, Dapster. Check out this video to see how. What are you waiting for? Start building today.